Welcome to your meditation and breath practice. My name is Nicole, and I'm here to offer a technique today utilizing your breath known as triangle breathing, created by Dan Brule. And it's this wonderful technique that can help facilitate a downshift in energy. For those moments where you're feeling a little anxious, a little charged, this is for you. So as we begin, go ahead and find either a position seated or lying down to help kind of bring the energy down. And as you arrive in whatever position that might be, in terms of the breath practice itself, it'll be a 3 count on the inhale, a 3 count on the exhale, with a hold at the bottom for 3 counts. And sometimes even visualizing that triangle can create an additional focal point to support your meditation. To begin, let's take a big full inhale. Open mouth release. Take one more of those on your own. And as we integrate this technique, the breath will be in and out of the nose. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1. Exhale. Retain at the bottom. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. One more round together. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. A few more rounds on your own. Integrating a 3-part on the inhale, a 3-part on the exhale, a hold at the bottom. And as the exhale facilitates this downshift in energy, know that that hold at the base of your triangle with this particular breathing technique will support more of that state of calm. Complete the next round that you're on. And as you release your triangle breath practice, let's take another moment to observe from a neutral, non-judgmental perspective your state. And taking this sense of calm, of focus, as you move into whatever is ahead.